So we're going to start back where we left off last time with DNA replication and this wonderful GIF that shows how it's done. Remember, so DNA starts with one strand, it unzips, creates two daughter strands. Today we're going to talk about, well, once a cell is in motion, in gear, and living, how does the DNA control what the cell does? So that's today's question. So this is called transcription. Let me move myself for a second. There we are, transcription. This is how we get from DNA to protein. And proteins are important because they do all the work in a cell. DNA just tells it what to do. Everyone else just gets bossed around by the proteins. All right? So, transcription means going from DNA to mRNA. And I'll talk about why this matters. And M in mRNA stands for messenger. It leaves the nucleus. It's the messenger of the information in the DNA. This, again, this is the transcription and translation basics. We'll do translation in the next video. But again, transcription is from DNA to RNA. Translation is RNA to protein. I wish that GIF went a little slower, but it is what it is. All right, so again, transcription, DNA to RNA. That's what we're worried about today. So DNA cannot leave the nucleus. It's too big. It's not allowed out. So what it does is it'll copy a section of itself onto RNA, which is another type of nucleic acid. This RNA will then leave the nucleus because it's allowed out, and then it will translate into a protein chain, which will then go do the work. So some interesting about mRNA. So again, it's messenger RNA. It doesn't have thymine, it has uracil, so now A pairs with U. It's a single strand, so it's not as long-lived, it's not as stable. But it can leave the nucleus, and it doesn't need to last that long. It just has to last long enough to get the protein translated that the nucleus said to. Right, so instead of thymine, it's uracil, so it's AU in mRNA, whereas in DNA, it's AT. It's just the way it is. I wish I could make it easier than that, but that's what it is. So that's mRNA. It is the messenger, takes the information from the nucleus out to the cell. And that is really the basics of it, believe it or not. So transcription is DNA to mRNA. It's the messenger. It's a single strand can leave the nucleus. Next time we'll talk about how does this little flimsy single-stranded nucleic acid tell the cell what to do. So that is our topic for next time. As always, see me with questions or shoot me an email. I'll see you in class.